Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you something new that I learned. um, very simple. This is kitchen parchment paper. I'm gonna use it for cupcakes and muffin. We're making muffin today, and you can also use it for cupcakes too. So when you run out of baking cups, the paper cups for making cupcakes, this is a very simple kitchen hack. If you have a parchment paper in your kitchen, you can easily make your own paper cups. So watch me. This is a parchment paper that I cut into a square. I guess looks like a square to me. And then all you need to do is just, fold it to the form of the cup. And that's it. That's all you need to do. And you have a very fancy paper cups for your muffin and cupcakes. All right, see you next time.